Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper basket. For this, we need paper cup which is plain. We need scissors and we need glue. First, take the paper cup and then see, just need to cut a small edge. Oh yeah, don't cut too much. That is not good. So then after cutting that line, then continue the only had to be just careful. Be careful. It's so hard, very hard. I do handle like that. Okay, now continue. Just all the cups have this thing, right? Only cut that. Let's cut. Okay, now we're finished. Okay, now you had to see how to like this, like that. Okay, so you will get the line. See, I'm gonna show you. You will get this and this line, right? Then do the opposite of that, like a plus. Okay, now that's open. Okay, now you got the four sides. If you got the line, you have to cut through the line. Okay, first step. But be careful. If you can, you hand in the line, and if you can see a little light, you can see we can see a line here. Don't cut that line. If we cut that, we have need another. Had to restart. So don't do that. Now what? Okay. Had to be careful. Looks like okay, and done. Then I'm gonna show you an easy way. We have to cut the middle, just like this middle. So I have an easy way for that. Just need to fold it, so we will get the middle line. Okay, fold all the first. Have to fold so that we. Okay. All complete. Okay, now cut. We made a line now. Cut that to the end. Yes. Like there. Let's cut here. Cut right there. Still don't cut this line. And be careful. It's okay, wait. You have to be careful. make sure that you all do all of that. Right. Okay. Now had to cut middle of that. Now I did all. Now I did it. Okay. Now I'm going to show this is little trick. Had to take one and then had to fold it like half of that. Or I fold. Oh yeah, the third one is done. Now let's move on. Standing like a stand. Now do the other one. Same. Yeah, just need to adjust the gap. Yeah, like that. A little tricky, you know, but you have to try it. Oh yeah, I did. So. Okay, now we cut this piece and now let's use it. We need the glue. Then stick. We need a little bit over there. Then add a stick over there and just stick there. Yeah, just we had to hold. And just. Now see, this is the final results. Wow, it's so good. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.